Today I'm going to show you how to make a signature in Google's Drawings and draw a picture from scratch. So I will go to New, More, and then the Drawings. Alrighty, from here you have your tools right here in your box. So I will go to Insert, Word Art. I will first type my name right here and then press Enter. So this will be my signature right here. So I want to do this to make it just a tad bit smaller. So then I would do my lines. So to make my signature, I would use Scribble. And I'm also using a mouse with this, so this is like very hard to do with a mouse instead of a stylus. So if you do have a stylus, it would be better. But I am really using let's see, edit. I'm gonna undo that and I'm gonna start it over. And you can press undo to start it back over again. So you see it's still on Scribble. So let's see. This is a little bit better. Alrighty. So this is how you would do your signature right here. So to draw a picture, I'm gonna do a picture regarding to my field and what I want to do. So in exercise science, it's all about wellness and health. So I'm gonna draw a picture of somebody on the treadmill. So let's see. So this is my treadmill that I drew right here. So yeah, and if you want to share it, you'll just press share right here, and it's only private to me, and I'm gonna name also my drawing also, since I low-key forgot about it, but it reminded me. So yeah, now I have saved my drawing. I can press save, advance, and I'm gonna change it to anyone I link it with or whatever, and that's who can view it. So yeah, this is how you would do a signature with your name, and then I drew a picture also pertaining to my field. Thank you.